Wake up to the sound of stealing and rain, echoes of the night still whisper your name. Salt on my skin, ghost in my veins. I sail too far on a sea of pain. Try to drown the silence deep, but it learned to breathe inside of me.